Good afternoon, Miss. I am Manuel Alejandro Alarcón. I am a student of occupational health and safety. I live in Sogamoso. I below cooking recipe. The cooking recipe is churros. Ingredients are 1 cup water, 1 stick unsalted butter cut into 8 pieces, 1/2 cup sugar divided, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, and finally 2 teas cinnamon. Procedure. Step 1. In a pan, add water, butter, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Step 2. Reduce heat. Add flour to saucepan. Stir until the dough comes together and is smooth. Step 3. Transfer to a bowl and let cold for 4 minutes. Step 4. Add, add eggs and vanilla extract to a bowl and mix well. Step 5. In Paint a churros into a baking sheet and chill in the fridge for 1 hour. Step 6. Once done, churros to the air fryer basket. Air fryer at 375 grades Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes. Thank you so much, Miss.